This 16-piece Japanese knife set was sent to me as a gift, and in this video, I'm giving you a closer look at each knife and showing the full set up close. The set comes with a variety of different knives, along with a knife sharpener and the matching knife block, which is really convenient. As I'm going through it in the video, I'm showing each knife individually so you can see the different sizes, blade styles, and handle designs up close. The knives are made from high carbon stainless steel, and one thing I noticed immediately is how incredibly sharp they are. Honestly, these knives are extremely sharp right out of the box, so they definitely feel like a more premium kitchen set. The handles also have a really comfortable, non-slip, ergonomic design, so they feel secure in your hand while still looking really sleek. Another thing I like is that the knife block itself looks really clean on the counter, and having it come with the sharpener is nice because it keeps everything together in one place. In the video, I focus on showing the details of each knife so you can really see the blade finishes, handle texture, and overall quality of this set. Overall, this feels like a really complete kitchen knife set. The knives are high quality, sharp, and the included block with sharpener makes the whole setup feel very practical and organized.